we are surprising my friend Shamanica for her birthday. 2020's been rough, y'all. So we wanted to, you know, have something really special for her and make her feel really special. So I wanted to vlog all week, but y'all, I was stressed out trying to get this stuff done. Like, planning a surprise birthday for people it's hard. It's so hard. So yeah, I am on my way to Columbus. I'm meeting with Shanita, and we're gonna go to the Airbnb to like set up and stuff tonight. She doesn't have any clue about it, you guys, and we got her boyfriend bringing her down. So I'm super excited, you guys. You guys are coming with me, and we gonna get this thing popping. So I am here. I'm the first one here. So I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. Shanita should be pulling up in about like 15 minutes. And then we're gonna go through everything and see what we need, and then go to the store and everything else.
Yes, toast.
To get in this for a long ass night. That's what
it's about to be real long night.
Real long.
Real long. Long, long. Long time.
So y'all, we just blew up all these balloons, and now we about to try to set the, I don't know, these are instructions. We trying to make like a little balloon arch. Just stick it.
Yep, and pull it through. Boom.
Hey,
we got one on. Let's go.
Ooh, 197 to go.
Hey.
97 to go.
Not the confetti.
Y'all, I'm tired. We've been up since like 4:30 this morning, so we only got like 4 hours of sleep because we were up finishing stuff, doing stuff last minute for ourselves. Like, bro, I'm tired. I'm so tired. So I'm gonna get dressed, and then I'm gonna get dressed, and then I'm gonna link back up with y'all.
Y'all, so we are doing the finishing touches. We just finished decorating. Shanita's cooking right now, and we're just doing a little things and tidying up and doing some housekeeping until she gets here. So I want to show you everything and introduce you guys to Shay, because she got here last night, but I did not record her because obviously we were so tired. So let's see this apartment. Let me show you guys what it looks like. Like, y'all, we did it up. We did it up, y'all. It was so cute on it.
She said she about to bring the camera out to you. I know.
We were looking. Hey, look at ass though. Look at ass though. Say hi. They didn't see you yesterday.
Oh my gosh. It's okay. Y'all see the after. Y'all see the after.
Y'all see the after.
We got a cookie. You know, we got the meat popping off.
Show them.
Okay,
What's up?
let's go.
Okay.
We got the meat popping off.
We got the fruit over here.
Okay, show us where it's at.
Then we get the setup though.
Okay.
Excuse this, but you know, let's get into the setup.
Forget all of that. I'm just ready for the apple cider.
Apple cider? Yes.
Yes.
How you
Warm
looking
that up
it
right
up?
now.
You looking it up though?
Girl, yes, I'm a chef. You know,
Okay,
I
okay.
retired, but I'm coming back out for chef.
Okay. You retired from balloons? Because that's what we was on yesterday.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right,
I got
chef.
my
You
area.
gonna chef up them pancakes then?
Honey, you want to see how they make it?
So this is her room, y'all. This is where she'll be sleeping. Y'all look at this picture, Shamonica. Oh my God, let me see if I can. Oh my God, look at that girl. But yeah, so this is where she'll be staying at. We got it all set up for her. We got little pictures of her friends. Oh, these are her family. You know, her dad, her niece. She loves her niece. And then her mom. Whatever to where we go.
It's on?
Yeah.
Happy birthday, sis.
Hey!
Hold on, I gotta sing.
Hey!
Ooh.
Hold on, try again.
All right, girl. I see
Okay.
you how to sing for
Hey,
your
yes,
birthday.
happy birthday!
We love you.
We love you. We appreciate you. You are everything, queen. Keep on shining. Yes, queen. Yes.
Love you, sis.
Love you.
Forever.
Okay. That was